what it do, what it done, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zian. I'm your host, P Fly, aka Finish the Fire Boy, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back and shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for the movies. Let's get it, guys. Shit. Oh shit, I'm in the shot, in the shot, in the shot. Oh, in the shot, in the shot. I'm in the shot, I'm in the shot, in the shot. Alright guys, I'm in the shot. Let me give you the little twirlage. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up just so you can see what's going on. And yeah, shall we get into it? Let's get into it. So guys, today we have this PLURIMUS No Season 23 iridescent jacket. As you can see, let me give you a little, I'm hoping that the sun hits this so you can see. This is so this was released earlier this year. I've had it, but I haven't done a video on it just because I haven't done any videos recently. But yeah, let me give you a little twirl to the RJ. Now this is the iridescent jacket. Now they released this jacket, I can't remember when. I got my order in, spoke to Fabio, he messaged me and said, oh, yo Phoenix, unfortunately somehow I've made a little mistake and I've sent and there isn't your size left. So he said, I'll tell you what I'll do, I'm gonna give you this special version. So let me just show you right there. As you can see what that says 10 of 20, right? 10 of 20. So I got the special version, 10 of 20, and this is slightly different from the version that released earlier. So I was like, well, you know, this is when a mistake comes good, because voila, I would take that special version all day. So this is 10 of 20, only 10 or 20 made, and I think the difference is just the color, the material used. I think it used the old Squid material rather than the new Squid that the newer jacket holds. Anyway, let's get into this because I'm really hot and I can't wear this for much longer. Alright guys, as you can see, there's my waist right there. The jacket comes down just past my waist, so a perfect length you would say there, but this is a very nice length, do you know what I'm saying? So let's put on the zipper and zip all the way. So as you can see, this zips up like so, all the way to the roof of the neck. Right there, as you can see, the roof of the neck right there, not the base of the neck. Let me just move this out of the way, so much going on that I've got to show you. So this goes all the way to the roof of the neck, as you can see right there. Okay guys, left hand side, right hand side, you have these two zip pockets right down here, as you can see, and in there you can put definitely a couple skis, couple of the kids in this one, you know what I mean, and you're good to go. Put the kids here, put the skis and all the skiing equipment in the other one, and you're good to go. Perfect for walking down the street with your hand in your skyrocket as well. Perfect placement, gotta love it. Of course, left hand side, right hand side, you have these two sideways pockets. Oops, and the Velcro once again. The thing about PLURIMUS is they don't skimp on materials. That Velcro, you saw I almost took my hand off with it, you know, trying to lift it up. Put my hand in. Nice little thing. You put your dog and bone, don't put anything else in there because yeah, not enough space. Put that Velcro flap right down. Equilibrium, certain beautiful thing, exactly the same. Don't put anything else in there. Some cash, your dog and bone, and maybe a little note in there, maybe your passport. That's about it. For all you international players with a passport, you could put it there. Okay, now I'm hoping with the sun you can see all this iridescent goodness, you know what I'm saying? Of course you have up top here, nice little ridges, nothing really there. I thought it was a pocket, I was about to explain it, but no, it's just a bit of folded material. Voila, we didn't start at the cuff edges. Left hand side, right hand side, of course you got that really good Velcro, and you know, like I said, you can really taper a PLURIMUS jacket. Look at that, that's a proper taper compared to that, you know what I mean? So equilibrium is a beautiful thing. You can do the exact same thing on the exact same size if you want that tapered fit for your wrist. Really nice. If you want it a bit loose, like loose cafe, then you can loosen that a bit as well. Voila, c'est perfecto. Okay, let me zip down and show you a little bit more. So we're going to zip down, take this off. Oops. Let's take this off so you can see. And of course you can see, I do love this. You see what Fabio's done, he's got that so you can carry it, do you know what I mean? I'll show you exactly how. So it's all of a sudden it's got hotter than you expected, just like today. You've taken it off and you've put it down like this, so now you can walk around, carry it, and you know, it's not as obtrusive, you know. Really nice touch, I do like that. Let's look on the inside. So of course you see that material right there, you see the PLURIMUS right there, so it shows you that's where you put your spare badge holder, and of course you've got that made in Italy. All his pieces are made in Italy. He only does them to 100, remember. Of course this is of 20, so it's even more limited, but yeah, super nice. Of course, let me show you the literature right there, you know what I'm saying? Super nice, gotta love it, gotta love it. Shout out my guy Kieran as well, because Kieran actually messaged me and said, oh, they've dropped, and I was like, oh shit, let me go check now. This was a few months back, and I managed to get one and grab one. So yeah, shout out Kieran for giving me the heads up. That's my guy, mad love to you, my brother. Of course, you've got your PLURIMUS badge right there, which is removable, as you can see, and then if you want to hold it on the inside, you hold it on the inside. We gotta love that. I really, oh sorry, I just jacketed my eye there. Ooh, put that right in the eyeball. I really want to get some of this sheen and some of this iridescence in, and I'm not sure we're getting it. Let's just see if we can get it. That would be amazing. I'm not sure. When I edit, I'll see what's actually come out, but the iridescence, the squid-likeness of this is crazy. I'll take a picture of it and I'll show you, because it's ridiculous. And of course you look on inside, that hood has got a squid bit as well. Really crazy material, this, guys. All right guys, one thing we like about a jacket, as we all know, is the hood. So you know what I'm saying, we put the hood up, tappity tap 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 tap, you are good to go, you're protected. Look, if I zip up, you see what's going on, you know what I mean, little flap right there, you can raise up, you're good to go, so you can actually see. It's actually also got this inner bit here right there, as you can see, a nice little inner bit hood with the velcro attachments right there, so it just gives you that extra protection when it's really raining. That will fit in here, you know what I mean, like so, blah blah blah. Really nice, super dope hood, super really great materials. Once again, Fabio has knocked this out of the park. I mean, super nice, man. You know, I managed to pick this up and I was glad. Like I said, it wasn't the one I ordered, but it's even more limited, so I'm super happy about that. Of course he's since dropped a couple things that are looking dope. I was too slow, so I didn't get them, but you can't get everything, and I think that's a beautiful thing. You know, I don't necessarily want to be the person who has to get every single piece of everything, you know. So I mean, don't get me wrong, if you want to give me them, I'm happy, but I can't get everything, so it's all good. So I'm not annoyed, I'm not sad, it's just, you know, it's good. And yeah, more respect and more love to Fabio for continually pushing out amazing products. So yeah, shout out to you, Mr. Fabio, mad love to you. Mr. Cavana, I don't want to spoil your name. Okay, so as you can see, guys, a really dope piece, great iridescence, yeah, and just another fabulous piece from Fabio. What more can we say, guys? Not much more else to say other than I really love this jacket. It's going to be a madness when the light hits it and I'm in a place where it can be worn and that light hits it and people go, oh shit. Anyway, till that time, guys, just been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for Plurimus, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly, keep it real. Remember, clothes don't make the man, man makes the clothes. Stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side, and yeah, good to see you all. Mad love, peace.